ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು SVN ಚಾನಲ್. ನಗರದ ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ AMC ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಪದವಿ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಇಸ್ರೋ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ PG ದಿವಾಕರ್ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಇಸ್ರೋದ ನಿಕಟಪೂರ್ವ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ K ಶಿವನ್, AMC ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ KR ಪರಮಹಂಸ, ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಕಲ್ಲೂರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ K ಕುಮಾರ್, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ R ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ GM ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇತರೆ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
He is popularly known as the Rocket Man of India. He made India proud, a great visionary, the true leader in the field of Indian aerospace. The former Secretary, Department of Space, Dr. K. Sivan sir. Big round of applause. Dr. K. Sivan sir is an accomplished Indian space scientist and administrator who has made significant contributions in the field of space technology and exploration. Sir, born in 14th April 1957 in an agriculture family near Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu, state of India. His parents are Sri Kailasavadivu and mother Srimati Chellam. He is the first graduate from his family with a bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology in 1980. He then got a master's degree in aerospace engineering from the prestigious institute, Indian Institute of Science in 1982. Sir joined Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, in 1982, worked on design and development of launch vehicles and participated in Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV project. Sir played a pivotal role in reviving the GSLV program and also
solemnly take oath in the name of Almighty, that having been admitted to the degree for which I have been duly recommended, I will in thought, word and deed conduct myself as befits a member of AMC and VTU family, that I will practice in my profession ethics, human values, morality and spirituality to the utmost of my capacity and capability. I shall uphold the name of my alma mater and work for welfare of my country and mankind. I request all the graduating students to please take your seats. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. K.R. Paramahamsa, Chairman, AMC Institutions, Dr. PG Divakar, and my dear friend, this is the guest of honor, Mr. Rahul Kalluri, Executive Vice President, Dr. K. Kumar, Principal, AMC Engineering College, Dr. Nagaraja, Academic Advisor, HODs, faculty, staff, my dear young graduates, their proud parents, distinguished invitees, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. I am extremely happy to participate in the graduation day of this excellent college. My dear young friends, you must be proud to be graduated from this wonderful college. We must thank the management college for providing you quality education. Coming back to today's function, let me congratulate all the graduating students. Let them come back, let them come to the world and create a new India. Let me wish a special congratulations to the people who have excelled in the university and the college level. And let me wish all you for your dreams comes true. Let me also congratulate the teachers who, in their own way, contributed in shaping the young mind. At this moment, I wanted to congratulate the parents. The parents are the people really they give the energy, money, and their effort, heart and soul, so that their wards are getting graduated. So definitely, we must congratulate the parents at this moment. As I see the sparkling eyes in front of me, I am seeing these hundreds of energy of youth. These hundreds of energy of youth will be capable of creating thousands of paths with millions of opportunities for the national development. National development requires not only knowledge and wisdom, not only efforts, but requires knowledge and wisdom also, which this college has given to you. My dear young friends, tomorrow when you are rolling your sleeves to take up the challenges of the world and nation, three things you have to keep in mind that will play a major role in your career. That is mainly conquering the fear of failure, taking the calculated risks, and innovation. These three things are interrelated and cannot be looked separately. If you wanted to develop something and you wanted to contribute something, you have to take a risk. Without taking risk, definitely you cannot do something new. And to make this particular whatever you are doing is useful and beneficial and easily available for the public and the service for the nation, it should be innovation. When you are taking innovation, definitely you will be ending up the short-term failure. Don't be afraid about the failure. If you are afraid about the failure, definitely you will be taking that risk of not achieving anything significant in life in future. So take the failure as a lesson, and from there you build up and come out. As your chairman said very clearly, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan mission, I want to tell. Chandrayaan 2 mission, we could not achieve the target, even though we could go near to the target, but at the last moment we lost the mission. But ISRO, even though at that moment it was disappointing to us, we are not kept quiet. We have taken the challenge and gone through what went wrong and corrected, and we successfully launched Chandrayaan 3. So definitely failure is not a end of life. In fact, that is a fail means, F-A-I-L means not fail. The first attempt in learning. That is the meaning I would say. I understood that for job they are wanted to become entrepreneurs. This is a good opportunities for them. The government also there is a conducive environment for the students to become entrepreneurs. The environment is really very favorable for that, and I'm sure that these students will come up with new ideas, and as definitely that is that we are in a better position in all the areas, particularly technologically, very better position with respect to other countries. And my wish is that instead of that one among the other countries, we want to become the first countries technologically. And for that, the AMC Engineering College is producing, continuing to do service in the nation of producing excellent graduates so that they can contribute for the national development. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು AMC ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಸ್ರೋ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿವನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇಸ್ರೋ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ವಿಚಾರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಸ್ರೋದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ಯುಬೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ MSMEs ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗಳು ಇವಾಗ ಇಸ್ರೋ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮುಂಚಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇವತ್ತು AMC ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಸ್ರೋನಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ರೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಚಾರ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಇಸ್ರೋ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಗಗನಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಟ್ಸು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂದು 400 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಯಾನ ನಡೆಸಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸೂಚನೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಬೈ 2035. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ 2040ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಉಡಾವಣೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಾಟ್ಸು ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೋ ಒಂದು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಕಾರಗೊಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಸೂಚನೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ that we are celebrating the 22nd graduation day of AMC Engineering College. Today we have more than 1,000 students who have graduated, and they have graduated with bright colors, flying colors, and from the management and from the trust of Paramamsa Foundation Trust, we are extremely thankful and grateful to the parents for trusting us, as well as for the students for achieving such great figures in placements as well as their academics. Today we have rank holders who have come out of our college. We have 4 rank holders in MCA as well as mechatronics, as well as electronics and communication of engineering. We have also given them a cash prize to encourage them and motivate them. And we've been graced by Dr. Sivan and Dr. Divakar from ISRO, who have come and inspired our students, motivated our students. And a good thing that has come out of this particular event is they have encouraged our students to get into startups rather than being job seekers. We have to be job providers is what Dr. Sivan has motivated our students. And there are a lot of encouragement from the government side, where funds are being given for students as well to start their own startups. And we also have incubation centers in the campus, where we ensure students' ideas materialize into products and services. And all in all, we are extremely proud of our students, and we've done it in a very grand scale this time. And we hope that they bring flying colors to AIMS Engineering College as well as our country and global. Thank you so much.